Good morning, ma'am. You're Tori Anderson. Answer out loud for me, please.
Yeah.
Thank you. And Ms. Anderson, were you able to get someone hired?
No, the last time you had told me since I was unemployed to look for 5 jobs a week, and I did not get hired.
Okay.
I wanted to get a court-appointed lawyer.
Right. Where all did you write down where you looked for jobs and stuff?
You have to find a page that
Oh, here.
it's like another journal.
Go ahead. Thank you for doing what I asked you to do. I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely. Don't just leave it all blank. And then, because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it when you're finished. If you step in front of the clerk on the end, she'll give you that paperwork.
This is one of the rare moments where compliance actually matters and it pays off. The judge sees that Tori followed instructions, documented her job search, and showed effort. That's why this shifts from pressure to assistance. This paperwork isn't just a formality lying here as a crime on its own. Question for you: should courts be stricter or more flexible when someone genuinely tries but can't get hired?
Julissa Cortez Estrada. Good morning, ma'am. Are you Julissa Cortez Estrada?
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Cortez Estrada, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 1386. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of tampering with a governmental record from June 4th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? So what I'm going to do is reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, they have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options.
I've already talked to a few.
Good.
I'm unable to find down payment.
Well, just work on it and then bring me those names, talk to some others. If you've already talked to some, you can tell they all have different plans and payments. And so bring me those names and we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, if you step in front of the clerk right here, she'll give you that reset notice. Lisa Pratt. Lisa Pratt.
No response, John?
Her bond will be forfeited for non-appearance and reset at $100,000. Terrence Currington.
And just like that, everything changes. Missed court date doesn't pause your case, it detonates it. Bond forfeited, amount reset to $100,000, and now freedom gets a price tag most people can't afford. This is one of the fastest ways defendants end up back in jail without a new charge. How many people do you think underestimate how serious a court appearance really is?
Good morning, you're Terrence Currington. And Mr. Currington, were you able to get someone hired? Did you talk to some lawyers? Who'd you talk to? Speak up for me. Okay. And are you working or are you in school?
I'm in school at the moment.
Where are you going to school? I thought we talked about that. Okay. How many hours are you taking?
It depends on.
How many classes are you taking?
3.
3. Starting when? Because it's the break right now, right?
Right.
Okay. So did you just take classes? Did you just finish a semester?
I start back in 2 weeks.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to let you fill out some paperwork to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely. You're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct. So any bills you have, any income you might have, you need to put all that on there, okay? Step in front of the clerk down there and she'll give you that paperwork. Javon Johnson. Good morning. Are you Javon Johnson? And Ms. Johnson, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 1503. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of burglary of a building from August 18th of 2025. And since you've made bond on your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
I'm in the process of hiring, Langston Adams.
Okay.
I'll meet with him this evening.
Okay, perfect. So what I'll do is reset your case to normal about 30 days or so to give you some time to get Mr. Adams hired. If you get him hired, bring this reset notice to him and he'll tell you what to do. If for some reason that's not going to work out, then you need to talk to at least 3 other attorneys before that next court date. Bring me back those names so I know you're trying to hire someone, okay? All right, step in front of the clerk. Kayla Provost. Good morning, ma'am. You're Kayla Provost.
Yes.
And Ms. Provost, did you get someone hired?
No, I had Langston, but I was supposed to go and do my internship, but then my car broke down. And then I just started looking for more jobs, and then I got hired, but then I just started this week.
Okay, where are you working now?
Rachel's Home Health Care Services.
Say it again.
Rachel's Home Health Care Services.
Okay,
And I just started, that's supposed to be in there, I leave.
okay. So what I'll do then is give you this, I think you've been here a couple times, so you need to, I know it's the holidays, but you need to try to, once you get started on work, see if you can get Mr. Adams hired or someone else if that's not going to work. If it's not going to work out with Mr. Adams, then you need to talk to at least 3 other lawyers. Bring me those names when you come back. So
Notice the pattern the judge keeps repeating. Effort equals options. Silence equals consequences. Job proof. Lawyer names. Pay stubs. This is the court measuring credibility. Miss this step, and bond can vanish instantly. Hearings may seem routine, but this is where cases quietly tilt toward freedom or custody. Do you think this system motivates responsibility or sets people up to fail?
you're trying. Bring me back also pay stubs so that I know what you're making and how much, and we'll discuss your options. If you don't bring those things back and do what I'm asking, then you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice.